Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you CSGO 2 not working and how to fix this one. First you just have to launch your Steam and then go to Counter-Strike and then right click go to properties. Now under properties you have to go to launch options, and what you want to do here is simply enter what I'm about to type. Okay, so once done, you can now exit this and run the game. Now, if this doesn't work or if this method didn't work for you, then let's try another one here. So another option or method is you just have to simply copy any of this here. For example, the first one. So as you can see, replace the number 0 with the number of threads. So this is the example. And what you're going to do is to copy this one, go back to your Steam, go to CSGO, and then right click. Again, go to properties, go to launch options, and paste it right here. Now let's look for your processor. To see your logical processor, you just have to simply go to the search bar and then type task manager. And then under task manager, you have to look for performance. Okay, so look for performance. There you will see the number of logical processor. So as you can see, it's number 4. Okay, this one number 4. So we have to go back to our properties and replace the 0 with number 4. Okay, so change this to 4 and the other one to 4. And then click X and run the game. Now, if this method didn't work, then you have to follow or try other methods which I have shown earlier. So I really hope that it will somehow fix CSGO not working. So you just have to follow from any of this here. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.